right here, and Mr. John Maupin's going to get up and entertain you for a few minutes.
Mr. Tom Boone. The guy's amazing, isn't he? He can do something that I can't do. I cannot play a guitar, but I can't sing. I can sing in the shower where nobody hears me. That's a good thing. I would not attempt to ever play a guitar, but I will use a guitar in a bar fight. I will. Everybody can use a guitar in a bar fight, right? If you swing it the right way, you can really hurt somebody. Actually, if you smack somebody the right way, you can hurt somebody. You don't have to have a guitar. I'm very